Hello students, in this video I am going to teach exponential notation. It is part of your chapter Exponents and Power. So let's start with what do you mean by exponent notation. Suppose I have a number a and I am multiplying this number n number of times, a into n so on. So in general I can write a raised to power n because the number is getting multiplied by n number of times, where a is called base and n is called exponent. Okay, so the notation for writing the multiplication, okay, of an integral, suppose I have a number 2 and I multiply it 10 times, I can write 2 raised to power 10. For example, here I have taken several examples based on integer numbers. And children, one more thing, it is not necessary this rule is applicable only and only for integers. It is applicable on rational numbers as well. Now, here you can see 3 is getting multiplied 6 number of times. So, I can write 3 raised to power 6 and it will be pronounced as 3 raised to the power of 6. Similarly, here I have taken negative number. Minus 2, it is getting multiplied 4 number of times. So I can write minus 2 raised to power 4. Now, there are several rules which you need to understand to solve these type of question. The rule number 1, जब आपके पास में basis same है, when you have same basis और वो basis multiply हो रहे हैं, तो जो उन basis की एक्सपोनेंट्स है या फिर पावर्स है वो क्या हो जाती हैं, ऐड हो जाती हैं. दिस इज द जनरल रूल. लाइक a, द बेसिस आर सेम, a into a, but the powers are different, that is b and c, so the powers will be added up. For example, now base is same 2 but powers are different and the bases are multiplied. So 4 plus 7, your answer will be 2 raised to power 11. Next rule is rule number 2. When we have same bases but वो base divide हो रहे हैं, तो what happened to the powers? The exponents are subtracted. This is the general rule. For example, now the condition is the bases should be same. So 3 same but 7 and 5 the powers are different. Okay, it is not necessary, you can have same power also. Okay, and what will be the answer? This you will come to know at the end of the video. So 3, 7 minus 5, it will be 3 raised to power of 2. Rule number 3. This is very important rule. When you have a number that has a power and the power has also, the power also has a power. Means a number raised to a number. This is the general form. In this case, the powers are multiplied. For example, I have this form. So 2 raised to power 7 and 2 is also a power. So 3 raised to power 14. Rule number 4. If you have any non-zero rational number with a negative power, it can be written as reciprocal with a sign change of power. For example, 5 raised to power minus 7. It can be written as 1 by 5 raised to power 7. Or 1 upon 2 raised to power minus 3. Just a reverse case of this. It can be written as 2 raised to power 3. तो आपको ध्यान क्या रखना है यहाँ पर? पावर का साइन चेंज होता है, नॉट द साइन ऑफ बेस. ये यहां पे की पॉइंट है. रूल 5. जब डिफरेंट बेसिस प्रोडक्ट में हैं बट पावर सेम है, तो पावर को हम क्या करेंगे? डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे. यहां पे आप देखो, पावर्स आर सेम बट द बेसिस आर डिफरेंट, तो इट कैन बी रिटन एज ए बी होल रेज टू पावर पी. और एक और कौन सा फॉर्म हो सकता है इसका? जब a इंटू पी, जस्ट रिवर्स केस लिखा है मैंने, बोथ आर सेम थिंग, LHS को RHS से स्वैप कर दिया. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2 इंटू 7 होल रेज टू पावर 4, it can be written as 2 raised to power 4 and 7 raised to power 4 into, ठीक है। अब यहाँ पे हम क्या कर रहे हैं, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ पावर। सिमिलरली वी हैव रूल नंबर 6 इन केस ऑफ डिवीजन। जब डिवीजन में है तो पावर्स क्या हो जाएंगी, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होंगी बिटवीन न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर। फॉर एग्जाम्पल 7/11 whole raised to power 9. So I can distribute the power as 7 raised to power 9 upon 11 raised to power 9. Rule number 7. कोई भी नंबर है आपके पास में and the number has a power of 0. It will always result in 1. For example, 478 raised to power 0. 1. Next number 1. You can take any number. If the number has power of 0, it will always give you 1. The last rule is number 1 raised to any power always results in 1 only. For example, 1 raised to power 230, it will give you 1. 1 raised to power 13, it will give you 1. If I ask you 1 raised to power 1 lakh, it will give you 1 only. Okay? So please go through all these 8 rules, very important and will be helpful for you to solve the numerical based on exponent and power. Good luck. Thank you.